going to be removing this bumper to clean it up, and that's pretty simple to do. I'll show you what you have to undo. You've got 2 bolts on each side here. You have 1 bolt on each side here. 2 bolts on each side down here behind the grill. You may have to remove your grill first. I don't, because I can reach behind my aftermarket grill. And the bumper will kind of sit there on hooks, so you can lift it off. So I forgot, but we're going to have to drop the skid plate, just because that bumper has to come forward and then down. So we'll have to get that off and try again. Okay, now that the skid plate out of the way, we can try again. Just keep in mind that those arms that had the bolts in are going to have to go down or on the frame. You also have 2 fog light connectors to undo if you have fog lights, and then if your engine block heater is clipped to the bumper, you got to unclip that as well. So here's the after shot. I used some Raptor liner on here. I actually did the whole bumper, and there's plastic end caps on here that I've reinstalled. I did both sides to seal it off and prevent some rust. This is what it looks like up close. We had rock chips, some rust spots on the front, so it turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it, and hopefully it lasts a while. I did the skid plate a couple years ago, so that's held up well, and now it matches. The grills have also been Raptor lined, and if I can find a link on Amazon, I'll put a link down below.